Okay. Hello, everybody. It's us, me, and Jackson.
I've been carrying
And we are gonna be making a video of us walking this trail. We've already went halfway, but we're on a bridge right now.
And there's a lot of snakes.
Yeah, we've already seen one snake. Jackson was freaking out.
We were freaking out.
Yeah, I was actually kind of scared too. And
Right in my face.
what?
Oh.
And if you can realize, me and Jackson are wet because you see this water bottle. It was filled up with water, and we just dumped it on each other, and it felt really good. But we got halfway of the trail, and now we're on our way back.
Yeah, because there's snakes that we don't want us to bite us. I know we feel pretty cold.
I actually feel pretty good.
I'm going to take my shirt off. Oh, how long have we been walking for, like 2 hours? Okay.
Hey, Brittany, guess what? I'm posting you on YouTube.
I don't want to see no copperheads.
Yeah, I don't either. Hey, Jackson, hold the camera. Point it out the yard. I'm gonna do a cartwheel. Make sure you point it on me, okay? Is it on me? Yeah.
Bro, this horse is walking back, running back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. I bet his legs
Hang on.
hurt like heck, right?
Yeah, hey. Christopher. You got a new order. Yeah, from Harps.
Oh, I don't know.
Huh?
From Hart?
Yeah.
I won't be able to get back to the house.
Sure. They're just gonna have to suck it. I don't care. Let them starve. This is America. We have the freedom for everybody that wants Harp food to starve.
Hey,
Okay.
horse is dirty.
And if you're watching, if you're the person ordering from Harp, ah! Oh gosh, that freaked me out. Oh my gosh, I just heard a loud noise, and I just heard a loud noise driving past me, and I freaked out. If you're the person from Harp ordering, and
I'm sorry.
and
I'm sorry.
we're not sorry. You could suck it. Don't order food from Harps no more. Brittany Seelert. Brittany Ryan Seelert. Y'all be happy. Y'all get to be on YouTube.
Y'all get to be on YouTube.
Everybody's looking at us like, what the?
I bet they think we just jumped in a creek, right?
Probably. They're gonna get a snake bite. And there's also, have we already passed that tree that's about to fall down?
No, but that guy's waiting for us.
Imagine we get to see him. I hope we get to see it break his neck.
You gonna break his neck?
No, the tree is.
Oh, yeah, that's okay.
Bro, get closer. Oh, he's not waiting.
Now for time lapse. There is?
Yeah. It's a projectile. I want to see Copperhead. You probably go see Copperhead, right?
Yep. What? What? What is it? I hear something go. Ooh.
Do you hear that?
Yeah. Wait, now I hear something like the trees.
I think something moaning.
Yeah, do you hear it? No, that's sirens.
I don't hear it anymore. No, this was something else. Yeah, it's a like a real low tone.
Yeah.
Close by.
Comment down below if you hear it too. There goes Jackson for dropping the water bottle all the time.
I only dropped it one time.
Psych, 2 times. Actually, 3 times. You keep dropping it.
Why?
I'm not lying.
Stop lying.
And there goes Jackson trying to slap me in the face with his water bottle again. Okay. Okay, here's the tree. Here's the tree again. Alright, now I'm just gonna stand right here.
So stand right here.
Okay. This tree is gonna fall down. The only thing holding this up is this gate. If this gate was not here, this tree would be falling down. Oh wait, what is it?
There's a squirrel.
Where?
Have those that eat by
Oh, that's cool.
Want it?
Cool.
You know when he does that?
Oh yeah, I like that YouTuber.
Yeah. Here. He says, get that out of here.
Get that out of here.
And it says something, but he makes you try to read it.
Yeah.
Or
Yeah,
see it.
yeah, that guy's funny.
Yeah.
Oh gosh, here
And
comes.
have you seen the video when he was watching it and this guy was playing soccer and he got his butt in the metal thing? Oh, that was like it hurt.
Oh, here comes some more bars.
That I don't like.
I don't either. Okay. This would literally be impossible for a baby to walk over these.
Yeah.
Look. Look. That's
Oh
it.
God! Yeah.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh. You
Ow.
literally, you cannot walk on these unless you have really good balance.
Here.
Use your arms, you balance
Ah!
yourself out.
And here comes another one.
Oh God.
Oh gosh, it's freaky. It's freaky. I'm looking inside of the camera. You know what? I'm stopped looking inside of the camera while I'm on these.
It's freaking scary.
Okay, people, over here is where we saw a snake.
It was big too.
Or I'll show y'all what we found. Still got a minute till we get to the place.
Bro, that was a big snake.
Yeah, that snake was pretty big. Tell me if you know what type of snake this was. It had black. It was black skin and
it
blue
had-
eyes.
Not blue, it was
Yeah, it
white. White eyes.
Or was it white eyes? I couldn't tell. Oh, I got a mosquito bite.
I'm getting a mosquito bite. Hopefully that snake's not back there.
Nope,
Get
not.
ready to make loud noise.
Oh yeah. Okay, I'm gonna run. Haven't passed it yet. We're about to though.
I'm ready to go past it too.
Wonder where.
Are you ready to go past it? I'm waiting right here for the parents. We're actually pretty scared. Right there,
Mhm.
well, that might be it right there.
Where?
Right there.
Yeah, that's pretty outside.
No, it's not. So we found it in this hole right over here.
Yeah, that was around.
Huh? What is it?
He had a bug on.
We
Get
found
ready
it
to
in
make
that
loud
hole.
noise.
We found it in that little hole right there.
Nope, that's not the hole.
Yeah, it is.
No, that was a different one.
That one.
Is this one right here?
Oh yeah, that's the one.
Is he still in there?
I don't know.
Oh, I think I see where he went.
It is.
He went down.
I don't see him.
See, Mommy, take care of this, please. Bro, get away from there. You don't know when he could pop out. Right, Xander?
Yeah. How has it been 12
I'm
minutes?
taking my shirt off now.
Okay, I guess I will too. Hang on.
It's like, oh, that actually feels good.
Does it really?
Yeah. It's like drying you off and you don't feel icky.
Yeah.
anymore.
Oh,
It's
oh, we
hard
should have dumped the water on us with our shirts off.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Mine was easy to take off.
Mine's not when it's wet. It's really hard. Oh, that feels really good.
I know. Well, wait until we get in the sun.
Oh,
That would feel good.
I just put my shirt like this.
Yeah, me too. Oh, that's cold on my back.
What do y'all look at?
Do you think about a snake being right in there? It's
No.
right there.
No.
I'm just not gonna carry it. So. Then talk some more.
Huh?
Talk some more in the video.
Boy. You know we're in the middle of recording the video. You should not say that. All the viewers will hear that. Well, you shouldn't say that in the middle of a YouTube video. Only that's like a thing Mr. Beast would do. Like, that's something Chris would do. Not your dad, Chris. You know, whoa, look at this leaf.
Mr. B,
Look at this red leaf, Jackson.
were you gonna ask my dad if he knew Mr. B?
No. This leaf was ready to be from fall.
I'm ready for fall. I mean, winter.
Tomorrow's the first day of fall, actually.
And I'm ready for winter because we could skip school.
Oh, I'm so ready for winter. And we get to bring our, and I can't wait to play in the snow. And we get to bring our computers home and just play on them. He tells us to do work, but I never do. And by the way, if you go to McRae Elementary and you're a teacher, please do not watch this video starting now. Okay, every teacher that works at McRae Elementary, you should be off this. You should be off this video.
Or you go get arrested for life.
Yeah, we called the cops. Okay, look, that is Jackson. If you know him, he is in Miss. Whose class are you? He's in Miss Soares' class, and he has some makeup work to do. And well, he it was a test. Now remember the other day?
Mm-hmm.
It was a test, and he was not supposed to have anybody help him because he had to do it at recess. Well, I helped him. We cheated. But if you're...
Upload this up to the internet.
Oh, I am.
The teachers are going to watch this.
I'm just kidding. We didn't cheat. That was all just a joke.
Yeah. But I bet there's a brown snake in there.
Yeah. And we are...
If you teacher, if you see this, I don't care.
Yeah, we were just joking around. He actually didn't have no makeup work.
What about Miss Suarez? She knows I do makeup work.
Yeah. Yeah, it was on the 5th. It was on the first day of school.
Yeah, the very first.
Or the second day, I meant.
Yeah, the second.
Because Jackson was not here for the first day of school.
Yeah. And he suck. I'm not lying, they really do.
Oh man, my feet's starting to hurt.
Mine
And
too.
we have to walk on the road some more. We'd be walking down the road, no shirt on. People would be like, what the heck? I remember that house that we walked by and I did the wizard dance at it. Oh, my feet are really starting to hurt.
Mine too. But I don't want any mosquito bite. No, back here sure hurt really bad.
Yeah,
Wait,
mine are
oh, I thought I lost the water bottle back there.
Where is it?
My mom has it.
Oh gosh.
Oh, we're almost done.
Imagine, oh, and then we would have to go all the way back, bro.
Jackie, excuse me?
Oh, bro, I'd be freaked out. I'd be like, suck it, buy a new one. I'll be like, I'll suck it, I'll buy a new one.
Yeah, but those are really expensive.
I know they are. Okay, yes, I need to sit down. We're gonna sit down at this bridge.
And I'm sitting down dangerously. Of course.
And
Come on, sit down.
and for our
I'm gonna
advertise
focus on my feet.
and for our advertiser today, I know I've never did this, but we have an advertiser today.
Oh, I'm gonna fall. Ah. Hey, Dad,
Hang
look,
on.
I'm gonna fall. Dad, my arms will save me if I fall, but if I flip, I won't. You see? Imagine if I flipped and landed on that rock. Oh, backflip and landed on that rock. That'd be a lot of backflips. Oh, yeah. Good idea, Xander.
Yeah. Even though I've never made an advertiser in one of our videos, this time we are.
Bro, all that you see right now is concrete.
Okay, let me get it.
Is
Oh wait,
Xander-
really, Jackson just got leaves all over it.
Sorry.
And for our advertiser today,
Xander,
Is-
like dangerously.
cleaning services.
Xander,
And just call 501-473-3327 or call 501-473-3046
Mom, I'm gonna fall. Are you scared that I'm
and find them on Better Call Cleaning Services.
I'm gonna scare you, Mom. Hey, Xander, sit like I am.
And that will be the advertiser today.
And show him the shirt.
I did.
Oh.
That's what I was showing them.
Ah! Look at me. Woo!
Chris,
That was
That's-
a pretty good advertisement. I enjoyed it.
yeah, because you work there. And her. That's both of their numbers.
Hey, this is how I'm sitting. Right up here. Okay, that actually is guys.
There's some sweatpants down
Wait, what?
there.
There's sweatpants in there?
Oh, there it is. There is
Look.
sweat.
Oh, God.
What?
You.
Clumsy. Come on, I'm ready to go.
Hang on. I just now got to sit down. Yeah, you heard him. Where's the sweatpants? Imagine I drop your phone.
Come back.
Imagine,
Oh, no.
imagine I dropped the phone.
Dad, Xander's got your phone over the ledge.
He's not gonna drop it.
Where's the sweatpants?
Right there.
Right there. Oh God.
You. And I see a shirt right there.
Where?
Right there under it.
I won't.
Oh, he's losing grip.
No, I'm
No,
not.
I'm really scared to go drop that.
It's not even here, so.
Bro, that's so much money, though.
I don't care. Think I care. Turn the brightness down because the sun. No, you can see nothing.
Dad, I think he's going to drop it.
I don't think he's gonna drop it.
He dropped my phone.
No, I did not.
Yeah, you did.
Jackson's the liar here.
Looks like he's going to drop it.
And guess what? You may not know it, but I am on AFV.
Xander, let's go.
On the farm?
Only if you hold my shirt.
Be careful, there's chiggers on this board.
Ah! No, there's not.
Yeah, there is.
Is there really?
There's one.
Oh my God. I don't want no chiggers on me.
Look at
What does it do?
Suck your blood.
yeah, to bite you.
They
And then-
freaking hurt.
Yeah, they hurt.
They hurt really bad. They're so small, they hurt.
Yeah, you can't get them off of you because they're so small.
I know, they hurt.
Wait, you had one, honey?
Oh, I've had a billion on me. It hurt.
Did you have to go to the doctor for a long time?
No.
Just let them be in you.
Yeah. I just let them bite me. It hurts.
Right every second. Or two.
No, it only hurts for a second, but it hurts like bad though.
That one could probably.
I bet you could push it over.
I bet I could push it over. I'm looking.
Go
at
see King Kong.
Good goal.
Which way would I push it?
That way.
Which way?
That way.
But it's leaning this way, right?
Okay. No,
It looks like
Xander, let's go by ourselves. I know how
probably
to
push
walk.
it like this.
Xander, I know how to walk by myself. I can't really push for these people anymore.
Careful, Xander.
Xander,
It's
let's
heavy.
go.
I can't push that.
it's not hollow enough.
It's not hollow enough, and I don't want to knock it over on you.
You're trying to act.
Watch out, Xander.
You're trying to act so cool around your wife with that weird voice. Bye, suckers.
Oh, it's just, well,
Bye, suckers. We know where the house is, so we don't need y'all freaks. Well, let's hurry so we can get to the house before them. Walk. Okay, look, the parents are not even behind us no more. No. Uh-oh. Yeah, let's get on the road before them. This is not our house. Oh, shoot. I said smile, huh? Oh, shoot. Hurry up, car. Better freaking hurry up. Don't tell me it's turning in here. It's not turning in here. Ah, sweet. Let's go, little bro.
Okay, so on the other side. Watch him get in there. Oh, God.
Oh, you let the parents catch up with us.
Oh, that was scary though, right?
Not really.
Come on. Can't let him catch him.
Come on, we have to hurry and go. So parents can't catch up.
Bro, I think we're good enough to walk.
Might need to run. Oh, I know your parents talk. Bro, look. Oh, what? Are they nice? Bro, Kit,
Bro, they're getting close.
bro, a person texted your dad, said, hey, bud, I ordered an order.
I don't know what that means.
That means the guy that took that order is mad at Chris. If he hasn't took his order yet.
Bad for that reason. Right?
Yeah. All right, we need to run and get inside. Okay. Starting
The
now.
door's locked.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Oh, what was the point of this? I bet the back isn't.
This back. Oh yeah, I lost it.
Fine.
Oh, we don't want anybody stepping on, but we'll still be close at the door. So we'll have to. We're going to be first in and feel all the coldness.
Hold on. Don't do that.
Oh, I thought that was like someone else.
Inside of the car.
Yeah.
The door might be locked. Might not be locked. Hurry up! Open the door. Dang it!
Shut up! Hurry! Shut up!
You said shut up and it did. Shut up!
Oh, don't hit them.
Oh, I forgot. Dang, it's locked.
Oh, we need to get first.
Me and Jackson are officially after. Hey, y'all hurry up and unlock this door.
I'm so thirsty. Are you?
Yes. Hurry up! Hurry up!
Let Dude run in because he's going to run you over.
Yeah.
No, you won't.
Yeah, you will.
No, you won't.
You ran me over before.
I'll be fine with it. I'm going in. Better unlock that door. Stop taking your time. Stop it! I know you're doing that on purpose. Hey, let me do it. Let me do it. Let me do it. You're just doing that on purpose. Open it. Woo!
Told you.
Ah!
I want soda. I want to take my shoes off. I want to feel the fresh air of my feet, Ryan.
Yeah. Hey, Goob. Okay. I hope everybody enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and remember to comment
Down
down below. Thank you for watching.